All right, in this tutorial, we're going to cover keyword strategies, and we're also going to use the Google Ads editor in order to import those keywords that we create. So quickly, we're going to basically load up the keyword planner within Google Ads. We're going to refine our searches. We're going to create 3 campaigns. One is where we import all of our keywords into a single campaign. The next campaign is where we filter by competition. And then a third campaign is where we filter by cost. And then finally, we're going to use AI to basically capture the negative keywords that are in the keyword planner. So let's go ahead and begin. Here we are in our Google Ads web interface. And very simply, we'll go into Tools, into Keyword Planner. And then we're going to go ahead and discover some new keywords. And we're going to basically select our country. So in this case, it's going to be the United States. And we're going to enter fence repair. All right, so in the middle here, we have our keywords. As you can see, this is a rough estimate as far as the monthly searches are per month across the entire country. And then 3-month changes. This simply indicates whether there's been an increase or not. Year-over-year change. And then the competition, which is what we're going to filter on later on. And then ultimately, we're going to filter by our bids, whether it's the high range or the low range. So let's go ahead and begin. Here we have all the keywords that are basically related to fence repair. Now, you could obviously import these all right away, but I don't really recommend that. Instead, we're going to go over here to the right side, and we're going to refine our keywords and remove everything that's brand related. So in this case, we can see that we have a bunch of stores here: Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, Sears. So obviously we don't want to be targeting those keywords because ultimately we're also going to use keyword insertion. So we're going to take out the stores, and the contractors are potentially businesses that use these names. So Fix My Gate sounds like a business. Cincy Fence sounds like a business. American Fence Repair sounds like a business. So obviously we don't want to target those as well. So we're going to simply select that to untarget them. And then other brands, these are Yelp. So Yelp is basically a review site. Then we have Energizer, which is for batteries, PetSafe, which is probably building a fence for pets, et cetera, et cetera. So we want to uncheck those. And then we go to the bottom here. For materials, we can probably keep these in simply because maybe someone's looking to repair their fence of a particular type. So we'll keep those in for now. And then ultimately, we're going to let Google Ads use max conversions to optimize which are the correct keywords to show for the correct person. And then products here, we'll keep that as well. So fence post, fence panel. So maybe someone's looking for repair their fence post or repair their fence panel. And then at the very end here, we have others. So a dog fence or deck repair or quick fence. So now that we filtered our list, we can go ahead and scroll through. There might be other keywords.